In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an InstaForex account. Now, the first thing you have to do here, you want to go to instaforex.com, and then what you could do is you could scroll down a bit until you see over here, you could either open a trading account, which is a real live account, or a demo account to begin with, okay? So of course, that's completely up to you, whichever you want to do. I'm just going to click on open trading account over here. It's going to take me to a separate step over here, which is the account opening part, and then you can just go ahead and use the step 1 to select if you want the trading platform to be MT4 or MT5. Then you want to select your status. So of course, if you're an MT4, you can select your status as well, which could be individual or company. But if you're an MT5, you won't have to do that. And then also you have to put in your email, press proceed here. You want to put in your personal data. And then step 3 is your account type. Whenever you do all this, you'll then get the access to your client dashboard. And from there, you'll be able to manage everything: deposit, withdraw, create new trading accounts, etc., etc. I have separate tutorials on that on my channel as well, so go watch these in case you are interested. Now, that's how you open an account. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.